Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the Italo booking platform. Review of the Italo booking platform, a personal user experience. In this video, I'll share my experience using the Italo booking platform for high-speed train travel in Italy. If you're planning a trip and want to explore Italian cities by train, I've provided helpful links to the Italo platform in the description below. Italo is a high-speed rail service within Italy, connecting major cities like Rome, Milan, Florence, Venice, and Naples. The platform caters to both tourists and Italian residents, making it a versatile option for anyone traveling throughout the country. The Italo website boasts a clean and user-friendly interface, enabling you to quickly search for available routes, select your preferred departure times, and finalize your booking in a matter of minutes. One of Italo's most attractive features is its tiered pricing structure, offering 3 distinct travel classes: Smart, Comfort, and Prima. Smart Class is the most budget-friendly option, providing comfortable seating and complimentary Wi-Fi. Comfort Class offers enhanced amenities such as increased legroom and a dedicated host to assist passengers. For a premium travel experience, Prima Class provides extra-wide seats, included meals, and access to exclusive Italo lounges, perfect for travelers seeking a luxurious journey. The Italo booking platform simplifies the reservation process, allowing you to effortlessly secure your tickets, view train schedules, and choose your specific seat. Italo also offers flexible booking options, so if your travel plans change unexpectedly, you can modify your ticket with minimal difficulty. The Italo mobile app further enhances the travel experience by enabling you to manage your bookings, access real-time train schedules, and even use digital tickets directly from your smartphone. For environmentally conscious travelers, Italo is an excellent choice. Their trains are powered by electricity, contributing to a reduced carbon footprint compared to other transportation methods. Furthermore, Italo frequently offers promotions and discounts for early bookings, allowing you to save money on your travel expenses. In summary, the Italo booking platform provides a streamlined, efficient, and environmentally friendly way to explore Italy. Whether traveling for leisure or business, Italo's high-speed trains offer a comfortable and convenient travel experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description for easy access to the Italo booking platform.